Hello, teachers! Dr. McBinky here. Today, coming to you live from the Dr. McBinky Show. Today, we have something very special lined up for you. Today, we are going to talk about the stink standoff. But first off, I got a trick question. Have you ever had a really lazy co-teacher? I mean, one of them teachers who didn't do anything. Wait. Hold up, are you in the classroom right now? Shh, if they're in the room right now, don't look at them. Seriously, eyes forward. Unless they are cool, then tag them in. Anyway, let's talk about them. It's Stinko Clock. You know exactly what I'm talking about. It's 3:30 p.m. The energy is low, the chaos is high, and suddenly, the air turns green. Someone has pooped. It wasn't you, hopefully. The poopy one is mid-classroom. You look at your co-teacher, and suddenly, she is fascinated by the ceiling tiles. She is counting the cracks in the wall. She is very interested in the carpet, and all of a sudden she is fascinated by a piece of lint on the carpet. She is staring at that lint like it's the Mona Lisa. She is then rearranging pencils. She is doing literally anything except making eye contact with you. She knows what you know. Whoever speaks first loses. So now, you run through the usual options in your tired little brain. Option A, you just change it. You be the hero. You die a little inside, but hey, at least it's done. Option B, the wait and see. You stand there dodging the stink bomb. You pray she smells it. Spoiler, she smells it. She just has better patience than you. Option C, the loud sigh. You change the diaper, but you make sure the whole school hears about it. You slam the wipes, you huff, you puff. You think you're sending a message. Here is the bad news, genius. All three of those options are less effective, because in all three scenarios, you are still the one wiping the butt. You think you're just getting through the day. Wrong. You are training a co-teacher with every move. Every time you just do it because it's faster, you are teaching her that if she ignores you long enough, you will do her job for her. You aren't being a team player, you're being a servant. But there is a fourth option. There is a way to handle this moment that actually fixes the problem. A scientific method to make the lazy co-teacher want to help you. It's not nice. It's not mean. It's pure genius. Stay tuned. If you want to stop doing 90% of the work and you want to actually survive until June, pay close attention to this next module. It might just save your life. And that co-teacher, maybe they are not lazy after all. Maybe they are using a strategy that works for them. So stay put and pay attention. McBinky out.